These are called Yanky twists. I got these from Crochet Braids Plus, and they're very small. They're really tiny. This is a black owned vendor, y'all. Mini Yanky twist, like with short hair. Oh, that's cute. A kit is enough for a head. Pause. We're gonna talk about that.
Y'all listen.
Like literally on my... You are now entering my inner thoughts. This is the most simple, basic, beginner-friendly, go-to installation in the universe. They say this is water safe, so this might be your come up out the water here, okay? Holla at your girl. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Y'all listen, I just wanted to jump on here to let you... Hold on. Y'all, I just wanted to jump on here to let y'all know about these twists that I found. Yes, these are twists. They look like curls, but they are actually twists. They're just curly. They're curly twists, and they're very small. They're really tiny. These are called Yanky twists. I got these from Crochet Braids Plus. This is a black owned vendor, y'all. These are handmade twists. This is something that the owner developed according to her website, y'all. I'm just bringing these to you because I think they are so very cute. They really put me in the mindset of micro locks. That's what they put me in the mindset of. And I absolutely love these. This is a wig that I made using a crochet cap, y'all. So this is literally like, y'all, hold on. Let me show y'all because y'all folk be thinking you out here like, look, you see that? It's there's combs in here, so it won't, you know what I'm saying? It's not going anywhere. This is the purpose of this wig that I made is to wear down. This wig was fine. This is not a headband crochet wig. There was nothing for me to have a need to cover up these bands because I'm going to be wearing these down. So the way that I installed it, I just have a regular crochet wig cap with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. That's it. That's all. This is the most simple, basic, beginner-friendly, go-to installation in the universe, in these YouTube streets. It was so easy. I literally just crocheted into the cap. That's it. That's all. Nothing special, y'all. Anybody can do this. No skill required, okay? A couple things I wanted to say before I show you what I do. Hold on. And they have so many different colors, you guys. Mini Yanky twist, like with short hair. Oh, that's cute. This is what I have. I have her medium length. She has medium and long. I chose medium because y'all know I like, you know, I like those styles, those bobbish type styles. So I chose medium, and I have the color ombre melanin, okay? And it is so pretty. It is really pretty. It has the dark roots, nice chocolate brown color right here on the ends. It is very, very, very cute. I'm glad I chose this color. Okay, so they call it a kit. So initially I bought 1 kit. Each kit contains 5 bundles. So there were 5 little bundles inside the 1 kit or the 1 pack. Medium length, there's 54 twists per bundle, and they are 12 inches. For the long length, there are 52 twists per bundle, and the long length is 16 inches. A kit is enough for a head. Pause. We're going to talk about that. Hair is 100% handmade, tangle-free, zero shedding, extremely lightweight. Yes, y'all, it feels like nothing is on my... Like, obviously, I feel things because I have it. I got the little bangs in the front, so I feel things. But as far as weight, it feels like nothing is on my head. I'm telling you, it feels like nothing is on my head, y'all. Carefree, reusable. They say it's water safe. A lot of times people ask me what crochet hair is good for vacation. If I want to get in the water, I want to come up out the water for my man. I want to make sure that when I come up that the crochet hasn't betrayed me. They say this is water safe, so this might be your come up out the water hair, okay? Now, let me get back to one size being enough for a head. That probably is true mostly. However, I knew right away I would need more hair because I like my styles to be full. For me, this is full. So what I ended up doing was, as I was, you know, I was making this wig off and on, like literally on my... You are now entering my inner thoughts. At this very moment, I know you're asking yourself, hey, what happened? She seems startled. Well, I thought I saw a bug out the corner of my eye. And if you guys don't know, I'm gonna put you on game, okay? Y'all, I have a phobia. I don't like insects, okay? Honey, my nerves get bad. Do you know And my husband was not even home at this point when I was recording this. Do y'all know he left what he was doing to come all the way back home to make sure that I was okay? Y'all, he's so good to me. And the church said, amen. Okay, bye. As I was getting close, I was like, nah, I'm gonna need more hair. So I bought 2 more individual packs. So you can buy individual packs as well. If your dome is blessed and highly favored, me personally, this is my personal opinion, 1 pack is not enough. That's my personal opinion if your head is blessed and highly favored. Unless you don't mind like the less dense look. And if that's the case, that's cool. Because it looks fine, you guys. It looks fine with the 5-pack. I'm seeing the pictures. 5 packs looks fine. If these pictures on the website represent just the 5 bundle kit, then it looks fine. Please don't get me wrong, y'all. This is 7 right here. So take that as you will. I just want to be very clear about that. For people who like styles like me, you may need a couple of extra individual bundles. Okay? Just my humble opinion, okay? That's it. That's all. I definitely wanted to make sure you guys knew that before you go out, because I know y'all finna buy this up. Again, this is a black-owned business. Y'all be asking for black-owned businesses.
When I get it to you, don't act like I ain't gave it to you.
Now, I'm gonna tell you something. You're gonna go on here and you're gonna see that this kit got a little price tag to it. Y'all have to understand. These are handmade twists, and these twists are tiny. I told you, it puts you in the mindset of either large sister locks or really small micro locks. These are very small and handmade, which means somebody's hand had to create each and every one of these twists, okay? So if you get medium and there's 54 twists per bundle and you get 5 bundles, that's 270. Y'all check my math. 270 handmade twists. That's for 1 pack. Or kit. I want to use their verbiage. That's for 1 kit, y'all. Y'all got to understand this is a lot of work. And I support. You see what I'm saying? If I'm going to spend hundreds of dollars on wigs and it's not one of ours, I'm going to spend this money on us. Period. Flat out. That's how I feel about it. And you say what you want to say. I'm not about to second guess our prices. If I'm willing to pay. You see what I'm saying? That's how I roll. So y'all just go on there. Y'all check it out and see. You know, I'm sure there's often sales. They just had like a Black Friday sale. So, you know, you can make it do what it do for your jacket pocket. But I'm telling you, these are quality. They are lightweight, you guys. My only suggestion would be, because they're so small, I will put at least 1 more bundle in a pack. Everything else I absolutely love. Like I said, this is a full 7 bundles. Okay. To me, this is a full head, in my opinion. Okay. So I would just, you know, also make note, if you're making a wig, it's different than when you're doing it on your own head. These are small, you guys. So when you're doing this on your own head, you're going to be placing these. Come on. So when you are installing on your own head, you're going to be placing these back to back to back. It's except for like up in here where you can kind of cover it up or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I definitely would need no less than 7 packs. But that's generally what I do use for crochet braids. It's usually somewhere around 7 packs. That's always a sweet spot for me. Bam! I just wanted to let you guys know these are off the hook. These are so cute. I'm about to get some banging pictures. You already know what time it is, but I wanted to come and give you the info and the deets first. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm late to the party. Like, why haven't I heard of this vendor? I don't know. Y'all know I'll be late to the party, but I'm here and I brought some greens. Check them out on Instagram. That's where I found them, on Instagram. Big shout out to Crochet Braid Plus. Next time y'all put something out, holla at your girl. I like stuff like this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun and get some more hookups. Okay? Because when I find out, y'all gonna find out. All right, y'all. Let's get y'all to the demo. The demo. The demo. Bye. Hold on. Watch the demo, though. Watch the demo. That's what I'm saying. Watch the demo.